Hi, I am José Miguel Esparza. I come from Pamplona, Spain, and I work in the Netherlands at Fox IT. I work in the Intel team, where we analyze malware and we track botnets. I am also the author of PipDF. Uh, some people call it a PPDF, and I don't really care as long as you use it. PipDF is a tool to analyze PDF files and find out if they are malicious or not. The idea behind PipDF is that the analyst use just one tool to analyze the PDF file and not two or three tools. For example, one tool to extract the JavaScript code, one tool to analyze the JavaScript, another tool to emulate the shellcode. You can do all of this with PipDF. You can also use PipDF to obfuscate the PDF documents and try to bypass antivirus detections, for example. And if you want to see PipDF in action, you have to come to the Black Hat Arsenal on the 5th of August from 3 to 6.